Students from Mrs. Nicholson's and Mrs. Lily's class went bowling at Manor Lanes in Hopwood last Wednesday, October 16th.
Are you excited to go bowling?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think you're gonna win? How are we gonna do? Okay.
Like
so good.
yeah,
Right.
so good. Like 5 teams in one.
Who do you think the best bowler is?
Anna.
Anna?
Let's go.
They were able to play 2 rounds and eat some delicious pizza. Also, congratulations to Kyle for being our overall winner with the score of 115. If you see Kyle, make sure you congratulate him for his amazing game of bowling. Anna and her friends had a blast dancing while they bowled. Even though Kyle was the clear winner, everyone had great sportsmanship, and all that matters was having a good time.